Howdy folks, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. Today we got a 2011 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to be swapping out the engine air filter. This thing's only got 40,000 miles on it. It is mind-blowing. Without further ado, let's get into it. First step you're going to want to do is come inside. Go ahead and get your hood release. It's right here. And then come to the front of the vehicle, lift up on the little lever right there. And then this has a hood prop, which goes up in the top left corner right there with the arrow indicator. Let's go ahead and pop that in real quick. Next step, to access your engine air intake filter on this V6, it's right here. You just got two pull tabs that come back. Release those, and then they slide back again. Upon doing that, you can pull this out. You can just pull that up out of the way like so. And that gives it access to your air filter. Now with this only having 40,000 original miles, this filter is actually in really great shape. So we're not going to fully replace this at this time. Act as if this is your replacement. You can get it out and take that and put it right back in. Make sure the clips stay out of the way. Go ahead and slide that back down in there. Get the part that's closest to the firewall. There's like little tabs that you got to slide it into. Once you do that, go ahead and press it up against the box again. Move the clips in place. Move those on. You're all done. Folks, thanks for joining me for another little how-to tutorial. This one was probably the easiest you'll ever do on any vehicle, is replacing that air filter. So if you have any tips or tricks that would have made that more helpful or useful, please leave it down in the comments so we can help everybody else out. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and the business, which means I can bring more content like this to you. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, take care, God bless, peace.